Hello viewers. So finally the Flipkart's Big Billion Day sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival will begin tonight. If you are a Flipkart Plus or VIP or Black member, in that case you can avail discounted price and you can buy any product you want. Similarly, if you are from Amazon.in, in that case you must have Prime membership to get access to the early hours deals. Actually, many people want to buy iPad 11th generation, so they are asking me the exact pricing of this tablet or iPad. Look, the best price of this iPad is around 25,000 to 27,000 using credit card on flipkart.com. However, if you don't get this deal, you can buy this iPad maximum at 28,000 rupees, but not beyond that pricing. There is no doubt that iPad 11th generation is a very good iPad. You can customize many things. Currently this iPad is running on iPad OS 26, which is very feature rich, and you will have lots of customization option in this iPad, which will make this experience really special. And if you are someone who likes to make contents online and you want to take online classes, note taking, and also the display quality and the portability of this iPad is very handy. Similarly, if your budget is under 40,000 rupees and you want to buy one of the best Android tablets in this pricing, you can consider buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 tablet. This tablet can be bought at the best price from Amazon.in. If you have SBI credit card, in that case you can buy Tab S9 at 36,000 rupees, and if you don't have credit card, in that case the price may be 38 or maximum 39,000 rupees. This is one of the best tablets of Samsung. You can definitely buy this because the processor, display, battery backup, software updates, everything will be there. However, in this pricing you can get another Android tablet such as OnePlus Pad 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, S10 FE Plus maybe. But I think you should consider this tablet if you want to use a tablet for longer periods of time. Similarly, if you have a tight budget of 11 to 12,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying OnePlus Pad Lite. In this tablet you will get great battery backup, though the display is of average quality considering the price point. As the display has 90 Hz of refresh rate, it will give you a snappy feeling. The display is non-HDR, however you can play up to 1080p 60 fps videos, though the company claims that it can play 2K videos, but I have tried 2K videos that stutters and lags. So the best price for this tablet is around 11,000 maximum during sale. Next, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, then you should buy this tablet from Amazon.in. The best price for this tablet is 18,000 rupees. Next, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price would be 15,000 rupees, and you can buy this tablet from Amazon.in. And if you want to buy the 5G variant of this tablet, then the price would be around 18,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 22,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, many people want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7. The best price for Xiaomi Pad 7 is 18,000 to 19,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 22,000 rupees maximum. Next, if you are planning to buy iPhone 14 from flipkart.com, then I would recommend you not to buy this iPhone. This iPhone is selling at 40,000 rupees on flipkart.com. Rather, you should go for iPhone 15 at 43,749 rupees, and if you can spend around 52,000 rupees, you should definitely buy iPhone 16. Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus will also come in offer. I will make a video on this, whether you should buy this tablet or not, so wait for that video also. Many people are asking me that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is offering price about 25,000 rupees, so should they buy this tablet? Actually, when the sale will start, the seller will look into the matter whether this tablet is being sold or not. if many people are buying this tablet, then in that case the seller will increase the price, and if people don't show their interest on this tablet, they will definitely decrease the price during the sale. So wait for the sale. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me repeatedly, and I made this video on behalf of this. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel, and watch my next video about the deals during the deals. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.